Hey, this is Sherry from AKA George Beach, and we're back at the camp again, and I'm trying to make some progress. I've got insulation in my walls, and I'm going to put this beadboard to the lower area down across this area and frame out the bottom. I'll eventually put some trim on this. So we use a template. We made a little cardboard template for this curve, and it's been trial and error, but we had to do some measurements from floor up to here and floor up to here, and then cut out the template. Our skill saw had a little took a holiday right here, but ultimately this is an old RV, and I'm going to take and fill that in because I'm not going to do it again. And there's going to be a couch there. So we'll put this in. I'll braid it in. Do my braid nails in. I just got to look at where my braid nails need to go. Dust this off, and we'll just keep moving on and putting the walls in. I'm going to do this section here, that section over there, and then hopefully put down a little bit of flooring to see how it looks. A little bit at a time. That's all I'm doing. A little bit at a time. Little wins. Thanks, and have a great day.